got there?
A little bowl of chocolate.
Where did you get that?
From Jason. He got it to me.
Oh, that was nice of him. Just take a little bite, because it's pretty chocolatey and rich.
I took a big bite.
Did you like it? Let's see, show the camera the chocolate. Mmm.
Yummy.
Yeah, I liked mine too.
Was it good?
Yes.
And Daddy's?
Yes.
Diane, Mommy, eat yours.
No,
Wow.
I ate half of it.
You give him half.
Yes, I gave him half.
That was so nice of her.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Take the big round bite.
Mmm.
Want one?
You want to let me have a little tiny piece?
Okay. One little teeny piece.
Mmm. Thank you. Those are good. And say thank you, Jason. No, he's not there. Hey, Naomi, look at the camera and say that. I'm going to show him this picture after.
Okay.
So just say thank you, Jason, to the camera.
Where is he?
Well, he's not here, but we're going to send this to him.
Mm.
So just say thank you, Jason. You're silly.